got a new bino harness. It's the Straver Gear Streamline, and this thing is awesome, guys. So, some things that I had that I was leery on when I was looking into this until I actually tried it out. One, the extra buckles here. Thought they were gonna get like underneath of my shoulder pads, and same thing on the bottom here. But as you can see, they don't. So if that's something that you've been leery on and haven't got, if that's what's keeping you from getting this harness, get the harness, because it keeps it, they're out of the way.